How to exit game in Color Block Jam. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can exit the game when you're playing. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm already inside the level. So right here, I'm in level 6. Now, in order to quit the game, here on the right bottom, you'll be able to see this pause icon. Simply tap on pause, and here there's an option called home. So you can directly go to your home and quit the game. So you can do this in the situation where you don't want to play the game, or either you know that the level is not gonna be completed. Now simply tap on home, and here you will also lose a life. So simply tap on leave. Now as you can see, we are inside the lobby and the game is quitted. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.